a wonderful parade, incredible drone show, great food trucks, great food, and fantastic music, and unbeatable scenery. These are some of the things that I'll be covering in the next two videos, including this one where I celebrated Canada Day, which was on July 1st. Again, happy Canada Day, Canada. I cannot wait to show you Barton Breakers, what kind of fun I had that day, and the amazing and beautiful town of LaSalle, which is where I spent most of that day. Given I celebrated Canada Day with a whole lot of activities, I want to make sure that I give them the right coverage, and for that reason, I'm going to split this adventure into two different videos. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, comment and let me know what you think, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's share this adventure together. So the amazing parade actually took place in downtown Windsor, Ontario, not LaSalle. It was a great celebration of the international culture in Windsor and in Canada in general. A lot of different communities displayed their beautiful costumes and traditions. There were horses and people dressed in Halloween costumes. Not exactly sure why that is, but there were a lot of those. People dressed in red and white, a lot of Canadian flags, and all the beautiful things that are usually in parades, including the big statues. Of course, since we're talking about Windsor, Canada, there were awesome cars. Hi everyone! Today I'm in a new town in Canada called LaSalle. First of all, happy Canada Day. Today's July 1st. By the time I upload this video, it's not going to be July 1st, but it is July 1st today when I'm filming. Happy Canada Day to all my fellow Canadians. For those who aren't familiar with it, Canada Day is our national day in Canada. It's basically when we celebrate the Canadian Confederation, which took place back in 1867. So this year marks the 158th year when we celebrate this. There's a lot going on today in LaSalle. That's why I came to this beautiful town. There's a drone show. They have a lot of different like food trucks, live music, and apparently a really nice program. So I'm here to explore this beautiful town. Let's go see it. The event center at LaSalle Landing, where there are several food trucks. There's a drone show later tonight, which is supposed to be spectacular. And yeah, I'm not sure what else they have today, but let's go in. Basically just exploring the area. There are several food trucks, so I want to pick one that I like. So far there's a pizza one that seems to be the best, but anyways, apparently there are more vendors, so yeah, let's go explore that. So I ended up ordering the Francesco pizza. It looks amazing. It's got goat cheese, garlic, parsley, mozzarella, and sweet potatoes. Very nice. I don't know how much you're going to be able to hear, but this is basically the pizza, so let's taste it out. It's really good. I didn't expect it to be, but it is. Okay, so I finally finished that delicious pizza. I'm so thirsty now. I'm gonna find me some drink. So I ended up ordering the juice, Worcester juice, strawberry and banana, which I love. I think there's passion fruit there as well.
truck. I hope it's Colombian. It'll be great. It's okay. I don't think it's Colombian though. Maybe it is, but it doesn't taste like it. This town reminds me of one of my favorite movies, Wild Hogs. It's kind of an old reference, so not a lot of people are gonna get it, but it's an incredible movie. They, not to spoil it for anyone, but they go to this town called Madrid, and there's like live music and this carnival, and yeah, LaSalle feels kind of like Madrid. I like it.
We'll continue this amazing trip on the next video. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Remember, life is short. Don't waste it.